What's up, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Friday, May 19th. SPY, a little kind of mini breakout today. That was up 115, but certainly a strong day. Here's the intraday real quick. Really closed strong. A lot of you had, I took a poll in the chat today. A lot of you had a good day. I had a flat day. Again, I talked about what my big mistake was, not scaling out of a stock. I was up nicely and really working on my hold some habits, which is important to me, and I'm getting way better at it. One of these days, I'll probably make a video on how I've been doing it. But I blew it on Bath and Body Works, BBWI. I show that real quick. Somebody asked me to post the trade to the forum. I'm just going to go over it here real quick. It topped out at 30, let me get this right, 37.24. I put in chat that I liked it over that, 37.25. The stop's going to go down here. So it broke, went sideways for a while. It didn't do, I just placed a hard stop and let it work or not work. And next thing I know, it's up in the 37.80s. I'm up pretty nicely in it, right? Money-wise. And didn't sell any. For some reason, I was adamant today I was just going to sell the full position at the 200-day, which let me slide this small daily chart up because it's got the purple 200-day on there, which I think was around 38.40 or something like that. So instead of selling some into strength like I always teach, I thought I'm going to be cute, sell the whole thing at the 200-day, and then it did this, and I hit out flat. I literally flat on the trade, so mad at myself. But it reminded me, and maybe this will help some of you too, it reminded me that there is a reason why we scale out, right? Why we take some instead of, making a full position either work or not work. I mean, I didn't lose in it, but still pretty annoyed because on paper I was up pretty nicely and it should have at least taken half off. All right, anyway, that's my complaint about myself for the day. Let me get the list up here. Oh, real quick, I think it was Fernando gave us Micron this morning. I'm going to show you 2-minute candles. So they're topped out at 66, sold off and right back up. His idea was back through 66. Shorts could be in trouble. Look at that. That was a pretty darn neat call. Nice breakout in Micron, which is MU. Anyway, what are we watching for tomorrow? ENVB. Big pop today, closing well off its highs, but still 119 million shares traded. We're going to watch that one tomorrow. GSIT. Closed pretty strong. Had a nice little after hours push through that 6. Also went up to like 660 or something. It's extended right now, away from the moving averages, but certainly deserves being on watch. TTWO had earnings closing above its open, but well off its highs. I'm just going to watch that for some kind of follow-through setup tomorrow. PHIO had a big intraday move, but then sold off and closed about the middle of its range. We're going to keep that one on a chart tomorrow. ELTK, big breakout today. We'll see if that has a follow through in it. BBWI, I already talked about Bed Bath & Beyond. With that 200-day up here, slightly above, which is probably about where these two recent highs are here and here, maybe we can at least get a push up to that. So we'll see if it gives a follow through setup. LMND, kind of a quiet inside day today. Yesterday topped at 1636-ish. Today, 1633, so up over that 2-day high. Maybe we make a run at this recent high of 1673-ish, maybe, something like that, 73, and it kind of considered a breakout above that. So I like the looks of that one. NNOX, I'm ahead on Bounce Watch today. Look at this intraday. So it moves up, sells off, and then at the very end of the day, everything pushed higher, and it went out at the highs of the day. So, and it did top out right around the half. So it's interesting over 1750 tomorrow. PUMP had a pop yesterday. Quiet inside day today. Looking for a 3rd-day play there. SIEN. I like the daily chart. And today kind of a quiet, low-volume inside day. So we're going to keep that on watch. Note, kind of a sleeper. NOTE. Had a pop back here to 244. It's kind of starting to curl up. It's been thrown into the AI space. So I do want to keep an eye on it. FTCH, couple potential gappers tomorrow. This is trading at 511 right now in after hours, so on earnings. So potential gapper there. And LSDI is another gapper, which I don't know if it was earnings, but they had a nice sounding headline after hours. It's trading at 140 right now in after hours, so that one's worth watching tomorrow as well. I'm going to quit babbling. I'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning.